Welcome to part 2 of weekly predictions from Libra to Pisces. Librans, let's see what's going on. Librans, you have to stop the blame game because that's a rebel without a cause. You're putting a fight, but there's nothing coming out of this fight because it's a blame game fight. You're blaming yourself, you're having guilt. There's a self guilt, then you're making that person guilty and this person guilty, and then you're like, no, I think it's all my fault only. I only did this. Just stop. That blocks your healing, that blocks your growth. And you do have a card of receptivity, receiving, healing. It is there. So please surrender to the situation. Have this receptivity. Let your body, mind, and soul get healed. And then, first of all, it's not, in your case especially, it's not important to figure out who did what you did, what others did. So let that go. Please try to feel the positivity, try to feel the joy in whatever circumstances are given. Don't separate yourself from joy. And you being a balancer, please don't go out of balance. That's not fair on you or on us. So please stay strong. Scorpions, massive awareness this week. You are coming out of the dark shadow and you're going into the light. You are getting into a brighter light and a brighter life. You are, the worst is going to be behind you very, very soon. That kind of awareness has also come, though you feel you're still caged and you're locked. But yeah, you still feel you're an outsider, but it's not true. If you closely see, the lock is open. You just have to concentrate on where you need to put the energy and actually make your way through. You have to make things happen for you, if you understand what I'm saying, so just everything is fine. It's your effort sometimes, or you are not focusing at the right thing. So bring your focus to the right thing, and I promise you will actually be like, okay, things were so much sorted. They were just not sorted in my head, but now when I've taken charge of things look fine. Sagittarians, you are feeling there's a bit of stress. Of course, we all are under stress, but you feel stress when things are not in your control. You like things in your control, but it's fine. Things are looking a little out of control, especially in your business, because you've just started. It's a card of an adventure, and there's a baby here. So there's a new project or a new progress or something is new, and those are those teething time. And every relationship, every business goes through that. I don't see a reason to panic. You're not feeling you have the control, but the control will sooner or later come, and you will be back in charge and at the driving seat, and with your driving force, it'll happen. So but this week, don't concentrate on that. Just concentrate to make sure you are safe, your loved ones are safe, you are following the protocol of COVID-19. And because when you are stressed, you don't think anything, you break all the rules, and then you're like just doing your own thing, whatever gives you relief. So let's not do that. Capricornians are taking extra care of their health. They are very courageous, though. I think you've had COVID and you're recovering, or you have so many people around you have it and you don't want to get. So there is an extra precaution over there, which is great, because we don't only have to protect ourselves from COVID, we have to make sure we don't get COVID, so that we don't spread it also. So this virus has a lot of responsibility, on each person. So you are kind of taking that responsibility very properly. You're, in fact, in spite of whatever you are in the pandemic and in the lockdown and all, you are sharing a lot. You are helping a lot of people. You are probably through social media, you're doing charity, or you're doing a lot of karmic deeds in the given circumstances, which is great. I'm very proud of you, Capricornians. Keep the good work going. You're not talking much about it, but it's come in your cards, even if you're not promoting what you're doing. But good deeds are never gone wasted, and your guardian angels are definitely karmically watching your good karmas, and you will be rewarded with it. Aquarians, you feel exhausted. You're losing faith. You're like, my trust is going. Don't do that, Aquarians. Please don't do that. You're just exhausted. Probably you are fighting COVID within yourself or around you. it is making you so tired. Yes, it's not only, it doesn't only take a toll on your body, it takes a toll on you emotionally, spiritually. I understand, but you cannot let go of your trust and your faith. Things will get better. I definitely see. Actually, you've got a date. Actually, after 10th of May, things are looking very, very bright for you, Aquarians. They are looking very promising, and you'll be back. You'll be like, "Oof, I can't believe this is behind me now." So you will say that. I'm sure I'm gonna hear that from you guys. So please have that faith. As far as we have faith and trust, we can manifest anything, we can attract anything from the universe. So please trust. Cannot go, cannot. So please work on it. Pisceans are very they are there's no pandemic card for you, so you're quite okay, but you're having some issues with your lover in your love life. You are like, what, there's a pandemic all around the world, and we are dealing with that. Then it's hit us financially or something. There's stress even in your finances or some monetary problems, but your whole stress is going towards your lover and his or her behavior. So don't do that. Let it be, because everybody's under this stress, and sometimes things happen, and sometimes just not giving them that kind of a negative importance is something. The best we should do is just let go, because it could be just an experience. Sometimes we don't let the experience finish, and we kind of get involved in it and try to fix it and try to mold it, and we don't the next thing we know is that just a small experience has actually become the biggest chapter of our life. So don't do that. Let it be. Don't confront anybody. You're questioning a lot of love around you, whether it's from the lover, family, everybody. Don't do that. Just relax, breathe this week. Just let it be. Just silence. The card of silence has come. Don't be if you can see, it says silence, and the card of the Fool has also come. So you can choose to be foolish, or you can choose to be silent. The choice is completely yours. Either or I'm going to support you, and will come and give you guidance once again next week, and then next week, and then next week. But I would hate to see you suffering, especially when it's done by your own self. Don't do that, Pisceans. You know better than that. You're stronger than that. And on that note, we come to an end to the weekly predictions, and I shall see all of you very, very soon. Please promise me, all the zodiacs, my lovely followers, you will stay home, you will stay safe. You mean a lot to me, and you mean a lot to everybody around you. So respect yourself, respect the situation, and I'll see you soon next week. Bye bye.